You guys want to go into town, do some cruising?
Yeah.
Maybe go jump off the pier? Yeah?
I don't think so.
And
Well, I'm not.
I hooked up something different this time. We'll see how it works. We got the bullet cam today, or the rocket cam. I don't know, a lot of people call them rockets. I call them bullets, but we'll see how that rides. We might lose it. We might be in the ditch somewhere. You guys ready?
Yeah.
So far the rocket cam's holding on.
Yeah.
Hopefully that works. You guys, is it windy back there?
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
It's because we got all the windows down. Nice job. Who do we run into?
JoHan.
JoHan?
JoHan. Oh, what?
Pretty choppy on this side.
Oh. It is so warm.
Is it?
Yeah.
I can't tell if you're lying or not.
I'm not lying. You have that liar face.
Your turn, boy. Take your shoes off.
I'm not jumping.
Let's see what
yet.
you got.
I'm not jumping yet.
You're not jumping yet? What about you? You think you want to go in?
You want to go?
He was lying. It is cold.
It's not cold.
Yes, it is.
I'll dive straight down.
That's a good quote, John.
I'm gonna get you. It stayed on. Yeah.
Ready?
Just do a little hop. Push yourself off.
No, I don't.
What?
Liar.
What? Oh!
I dove in, bro.
Who did that? Also, it might be a little warmer down here.
What's her name?
Nova.
I know. She's so nice. She has one blue and one green eye.
Color eyes?
Yeah.
You sure it's warmer? Oh, I can't backflip. I'm too old for that. Keep recording.
Oh, backwind.
It's not warm, John.
John.
It is. It's warmer.
Beto!
Because I'm getting cold. So it's going down that ladder. My turn. Boys, don't lower your cars. Then you can't get them up the driveway. I mean, you can. You just do that. Yeah. And that. Well, what'd you guys think? Well, my EFI display died, so that sucks. Yeah, we're a little on the warm side, not too bad. She definitely doesn't like the downtown. Hey, What'd you think? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Maybe next time you guys will go in the water.
Maybe.
So all of our fans in the southern area, like desert, Arizona, they're so jealous that you guys didn't jump in that water. Or our fans in Canada, we're getting quite the fan base in Canada too. It's probably still snowing up there. They're probably ice fishing. Alright, you guys, ready? Get out of here.
Yeah.
See ya!
Yeah.